Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Jetty Fresh Extendable curtain rod. If you are looking for a curtain rod that doesn't require drilling, this could be the perfect solution. Let's open the box. Inside you get the stainless steel extendable curtain rod. It has a clean white finish and feels sturdy and well built. One of the best features is that it doesn't require any drilling or tools. Just extend the rod to the required size and place it between two walls, twist it to tighten, and it's ready to use. The anti-skid rubbers and provide a strong grip, helping the rod stay firmly in place. It's ideal for bathroom, shower curtain, windows, wardrobe, and cupboard, or even doorways. The stainless steel construction make it durable, rust resistant, and suitable for everyday uses. It's great choice for rented home because you don't have to damage your walls with nails or screw. Overall, I found this curtain rod easy to install, sturdy, and very practical if you want to a simple and budget-friendly home organization solution. This is the definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Amazon find and honest product review. The link is in description box. You can check it out, guys. And thank you for watching my video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you for watching my video.